So I just wanted to share my first impression of Fiji. I served my mission in Ayambaki Ruanan Rao Tinika Tolu kina Ruanan Rao Tinika Lima 2013 and 2015. And I remember being very anxious to get there and to see what it was like. I already had this picture in my mind that it was going to be stick houses and there was going to be mud everywhere and maybe some buffalo running around or something, I don't know. But I remember flying into Fiji and walking out of the airport, and I remember my first thought was, woo, sa lewu sarangana motokai ke. There's a lot of cars here, because I didn't think there was going to be any cars. I don't know, I guess everyone just walked around with big bags on their head to carry their valuables, I don't know. But I remember thinking, wow, this place it's got technology, it's not third world. And I remember seeing all the people, because that's what you just do to white people, you know? You make them feel welcome. Made me feel welcome. It was great. And I remember getting on a bus, and then I took a 3-hour bus ride over to Suva, Nanondra capital. And that's where we kind of got thrown into things and started getting into missionary work and teaching about Jesus Christ and about his restored gospel. But I remember my first impression was a very happy one. And it was a happy moment being able to see the people I was going to spend 2 years of my life with.